I've bought and tested these rice cookers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how confusing it can be with so many options out there. That's why I'm here to share my honest experience with the top 5 stainless steel interior rice cookers on the market. Product number 1, Aroma Select Stainless Rice Cooker. When I first got my hands on the Aroma Select Stainless Rice Cooker, I was excited to see how this compact yet powerful machine would fit into my kitchen routine. Right out of the box, this rice cooker boasts a sleek design with a stainless steel inner pot that instantly gives it a premium feel. I decided to put it through its paces with my go-to jasmine rice. The one-touch operation was a game changer. I simply poured in 3 cups of uncooked rice, added water, and with a gentle push down on the lever, I was ready to go. I love how the automated cooking mechanism detects when the rice is done, switching to keep warm mode without me having to babysit the pot. It was reassuring to know that my meal was being taken care of. After cooking, I was pleasantly surprised at how fluffy and perfectly cooked the rice turned out. This was no fluke. I made it multiple times and each batch was on point. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the stainless steel inner pot is not only durable, but also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The compact size of 1.2 quarts is perfect for small kitchens or for those who don't cook for a crowd. On the downside, it can only cook up to 6 cups of cooked rice, which might not be enough for larger families or gatherings. It also lacks advanced features like a timer or multiple cooking functions, which some might find limiting. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet ERC006SS Rice Cooker, which I was eager to try considering its reputation for delivering fluffy rice without the hassle. Setting it up was incredibly easy. The black finish gives it a modern look that fits in beautifully with any kitchen decor. I decided to go with some basmati rice for my first attempt. Just like the Aroma model, this one also features a one-touch operation that makes it foolproof. After adding the rice and water, I pushed the button and walked away. When I returned, the aroma filled the kitchen and I could hardly wait to dig in. The rice was cooked to perfection, fluffy and fragrant, and the automatic keep warm feature ensured it stayed warm until I was ready to serve. Now, the pros and cons. On the upside, the stainless steel inner pot is a fantastic feature. Unlike aluminum pots, it won't warp and is super easy to clean. I also appreciated the inclusion of a measuring cup and spatula, little things that make a big difference. However, the hand wash care for the pot could be a downside for those looking for dishwasher-safe options. Also, while it's great for rice, you might find its cooking capacity of 6 cups to be limiting if you're planning on cooking for a bigger crowd. Product number 3, Comfy Compact Rice Cooker. The Comfy Compact Rice Cooker caught my eye with its multi-functionality. As someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, I was thrilled to try its 6 cooking programs, which include options for steaming, slow cooking, and even oatmeal. The sleek design with a stainless steel finish looks sharp on the countertop. I decided to start with a basic white rice dish, and then ventured into quinoa and oatmeal. Each program was intuitive to navigate thanks to the user-friendly digital panel. I was particularly impressed by the automatic keep warm function, which kept my food at the right temperature for hours. Let's break down the pros and cons. The versatility of this cooker is a huge plus. It's not just for rice, but also works well for grains and even soups. The compact size is ideal for small kitchens, and the dishwasher-safe inner pot made cleanup super easy. However, one downside I noticed is that the cooking capacity of 8 cups, cooked, might be a bit restrictive for larger families. Also, while the compact design is a pro, it may not accommodate larger meals. Product number 4, Gourmet Rice Cooker. The Gourmet Rice Cooker is a powerhouse in the realm of rice cookers, boasting a whopping 5-quart capacity that can prepare up to 20 cups of cooked rice. As someone who often meal preps for the week, I was excited to give this a try. The first thing I noticed was its digital controls and 6 cooking presets, which allow for a variety of cooking methods. I opted to steam some vegetables while cooking rice, and the steam tray made it so easy to prepare complete meals simultaneously. After trying out the white rice setting, I was blown away by how well it cooked. Not a single grain was left overcooked or undercooked. The pros? Well, for starters, its large capacity is perfect for families or meal preppers. The digital controls are user-friendly, and the automatic keep warm mode kept everything at the perfect temperature until I was ready to eat. Cleanup was also a breeze with its dishwasher-safe pot and accessories. On the flip side, the size of the cooker could be a drawback for those with limited counter space. Also, it's not the most portable option if you're looking to take it to parties or potlucks. Product number 5, Aroma Housewares 14-Cup Rice Cooker. Lastly, I couldn't wait to try the Aroma Housewares 14-Cup Rice Cooker. This model is designed for those who often have family gatherings or just love cooking larger portions. My first test was a jambalaya, and I was amazed at how well it handled both the rice and the ingredients simultaneously. The stainless steel inner pot not only looks great, but it's also incredibly practical for clean eating. The one-touch operation made it easy to use, and the automatic keep warm function ensured that my dish stayed warm and ready to serve. When evaluating the pros and cons, the capacity stands out as a major advantage. 14 cups of cooked rice is impressive and perfect for gatherings. The steam tray is also a fantastic addition, allowing you to cook meats and veggies while your rice is cooking below. However, its larger size might be cumbersome for smaller kitchens, and it does take up more counter space. In conclusion, these 5 stainless steel interior rice cookers each bring something unique to the table. Whether you're a solo cook or feeding a crowd, there's a perfect option for you. Choose wisely and happy cooking.